Let the people know how long you've been working out for. You guys are the best, you know that. I needed 2 subscribers to get to 400. And you guys step up to the plate. Each and every one of you. I appreciate you. Today, I'm feeling good. I'm gonna find Abdullah and interview him because he told me last week he wanted to get interviewed again. Maybe he's feeling a little bit more excited and he wanted to send you guys some good energy. So let me go track him down. Let the people know how long you've been working out for.
A year.
Only a year.
Only a year, yeah.
And you got to be like this.
Yeah, because before I start, join the gym, before that I used to just like sometimes doing push-ups, just push up, pull-ups, free pull-ups with my friends. I used to do like 5, 10. I couldn't do more, but one of my friends, he told me like, man, let's go to the gym with me and join me. Let's have fun there. It's so cool, working out together. And I said like, let me think. And I start the first 3 months, my muscles start pumping out. Like, I said, what? Just I start continue from that to this day, like a year. Yeah.
So, I wasn't born yesterday.
Yeah.
What's your diet like? Like, what do you eat?
Food is fish. I eat tuna a lot. Tuna with salad. Eggs. I eat a lot of eggs. Chicken sometimes because I don't have time to cook. I used to just eat tuna and eggs. Yeah.
What motivates you every day to come work out? Because I know you have your days where like obviously you don't feel like coming.
You think before you come, before a day, you think about what you're gonna do tomorrow. Like you think before you come to the gym. You have a plan, you put your plan before you come to the gym. Because when you come to the gym here, you don't have time to think. Just work out. Because like every day I think when I get out of here, I know tomorrow I have these muscles I want to do, like back or chest or arms or shoulders. I think like, oh, tomorrow I'm going to do this and this and this. All the work, like I prepare myself before I get here. But when I get here, I just go straight. I know what I'm going to do. When I grab the weight, I hate it hard, yeah.
Now, when you come to the gym, do you have a schedule you do? Like Tuesdays, I'm going to do this. Wednesdays, I'm going to do this. Or it's more about what you feel like doing?
No, I have like a schedule in my brain. Like I saved it a long time when I started working out. The first 3 months, I learned how to, the coach I used to work out with him, he showed me how to do your rigs. Like I started with legs and I end with shoulder. And every day I have like, I know specifically what I'm gonna do, yeah.
Okay, last question. Well, 2 questions. What's your favorite workout and what's your not so favorite workout? But you have to do it no matter what.
My favorite workout is arms day. And the less, like, it's not my favorite, but I have to do it. Abs.
Dude, I do abs every day, bro. Every day. Like this is what it's about.
I still have the muscles in my abs, but I don't do abs.
So my least favorite is legs, but I do it every day because it's so important, man.
Legs is important, but if you work every day, if you do legs twice a week or 3 times a week, your muscles will not grow because they get tired. The muscles when get tired, they sleep. They don't wake up easily again. Like they don't grow. But when you work out a day, or at least if 2 days, it's gonna be separate between them. Like should be gap rest. Like in the first day in the week, if you hit legs, and in the end of the week you hit legs again, that's cool because you have time to let your muscles to rest. Yeah, but if you hit it every day, every 2 days, or twice, like a day after day, like your muscles will get tired, and whatever you think, oh, my legs doesn't grow because you put a lot of pressure on your legs and they will not grow.
So on the comments below, if you want me to do a video watching this man work out so you can see his technique and routines, let me know in the comments below. I would do that because technique is very important. Would you agree?
Yeah, I agree 100%. Yeah. For me, when I don't believe the genetics and stuff like, oh, this dude he have good genetics and he just like he don't work hard and he gets the muscles. Nah, I swear I work hard until I feel sometimes my eyes get red and a little headache sometimes. I push hard as I can, like I don't give up. Like I think like I have to finish my reps, my works that I planned before I came to the gym. I have to do it no matter what. Just like this is where it is. Yeah.
I respect you, my brother.
Yeah.
You're the best.
All right.
Well, if you want me to do a video and have Abdullah just do his workouts and then we can show some techniques, you let me know, because I believe technique is important and it's about doing the right way so you don't get injured. Because if you get injured, you're gonna miss 2, 3, 4 weeks at the gym and you kind of almost lose everything you worked on.
Yeah, it's like for injury, if you're scared, you'll 100% you're gonna injure yourself if you're scared. Yeah. You have to just don't worry about you injure yourself, but you gotta be careful when you work out. Don't rush. If you don't rush and you warm up safely and you stretch good, you don't go crazy like to try to copy other people, like to just jump to the heavy weight. That's the big reason you're gonna injure yourself. But if you take it easy and if you move smart and you find a good personal trainer to show you the way, then you will get it, and you will feel always like proud of yourself and you feel like more safe. Yeah.
Okay, you heard from the man himself. Thank you guys for watching. Yep. We're gonna do more videos for sure. All right.
All right. See you.
All right.
Goodbye.